Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And you don't know the things said people. We've been telling you for the past several weeks or a month now that Dancing Rebel and Pretty them are fatting themselves up to get designer body. And as you can see, Dancing Rebel reveals her body today after saying several months or years ago that she would never do that. She's perfectly fine being a slim girl. And the interesting part, she didn't need to take a plane to get this body done. Yes, it was done in Jamaica. Also, the streets is talking, and so is Pretty. You know what I mean? The streets is saying that Pretty used Joe Bogdanovich money that she's getting for being on these dancehall live episodes on YouTube, and bought I-Waata Benz that he's using to stunt on Vybz Kartel youth and things. And also Pretty took to her Instagram story to say men is being mixed up and old men or men shouldn't be mixed up like y'all. And I don't know if she's just making a general statement or if she's talking about Vybz Kartel, and we'll get into that into the video. But how I got it, somebody said that she was dissing me. I don't know if it's based off of the review I did with her and I-Waata Wadeya, but I'm gonna let y'all hear what she has to say, and you can put in the comment section if she had this based off of what we've been putting out here about her and I-Waata, or maybe it could be Vybz Kartel, but we'll figure it out. And you don't know the things that the Queen of Dancehall makes history once again, and today she finally reveals what SSS means. You feel what I'm saying? Yes, people, you don't want to miss a beat, so stay tuned for that. And also, bad boy Trevor has been remanded or locked up due to breaking the disaster acts and things. And he didn't have enough money on him today to pay for his fine because he didn't know what he was going to be fined. So the judge locked him up, So he's complaining about that and how they need to change their systems and this and that. And as you can see, in the jail cell is crowded, or where you need to pay, the place is crowded. And plus he's talking about the martial law that Jamaica basically is doing right now. So we'll get into that, but enough of me talking, people. We don't want to know what people look like, so here you go. Yes, it's finally here, people. Dancing Rebel reveals her designer body. Well, I shouldn't even say designer body. There's something body surgery Jamaica. You feel what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna tell you no lie. It looks good. I mean, Rebel always looked good to me, but yeah, her butt looked like an apple butt. You feel what I'm saying? And I seen the before and after pictures of her and like her panty and all these things that she posted. But me not gonna post that on YouTube. But me never know I saw Rebel shape bad as a maga girl. Yo, my girl had no curves whatsoever. Ja no, but she definitely looked good. So this is what she had to say about it.
Shit you got give me, I'm gonna stay with. Regardless the people me not have, me will stay with. Because you now make me put in a breast and a fake bottom and sick. What?
People putting out a comment section, what do you think about her body? I did see Queen Nikki big her up, so big up yourself, Queen Nikki. You don't know the thing said. Designer Body did a great job with you as well. And it goes to show, I guess some people can't say never. Yeah. Some people. Me can say never about what me say never about. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next update. Now, I was live earlier today on my Instagram channel, and somebody put in my comment section, say, yo, King Mix Up Pretty diss you in her story. And I'm like, Pretty can't diss me. Pretty follows me. Why would she diss me? You don't know anything said, I never looking at the story, and I'm like, this don't seem like Pretty, I don't know if I-Waata is putting her up to say these things, and You know, I asked my followers on IG and they said no, they're not talking. She's not talking about you. So I'm gonna ask one of the people. Is Pretty talking now about me, Vybz Kartel, or I-Waata, or just in general? Speaking, because you know, there's never a coincidence or dance or something has to happen for somebody to go out and say something. So enough of me talking. Let's listen to what she got to say about the mix-up man them and people, and we'll proceed.
Hey, man, I know. Oh, for big man and big woman on the mix up, so stop it, man. To mix up, man. Do not mix up for big man, man. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not taking that as no diss to me. You know what I mean? I think Pretty got more respect to me and she would have put a king on the mix up. But, you know, she threw in the woman. So, you know what I mean? I don't know if I was live with any woman talking about I-Waata in a situation. But nevertheless, let's just say she is talking about one of us, you know. Is she talking about Vybz Kartel saying that, you know, at the six, I think I wrote, no, you see me, I say, for him wanting to, you know, responding to I-Waata, make him feel away, you know, bring him girl in the thing, you know, or is it what I said, you know what I mean, Pretty, this I-Waata wickedly on Flop Stage TV, you feel what I'm saying? But speaking about I-Waata, the streets is talking. The streets is talking, the streets is talking, the streets is talking, the streets is saying I-Waata one hit wonder. And now I buy no fifth hand Mercedes Benz, you see me answer. And them say I-Waata now sell no dub plates like that, you know. And you don't know the things said. When I did film Mimi, things did nice, cause you know Mimi that I spend spice money upon him. You see me I say, come I say, oh him buy Benz and him now you have no good clothes or rascal. But that is another I think there, but yeah, people. The streets is saying that since Mimi, you know, Faye with Mimi get big deal with Joe Bogdanovich, you don't know the thing said. I-Waata is back at it again. You feel what I'm saying? Trying to be pretty boyfriend. And if they're still boyfriend and girlfriend, you don't know the thing said. She can't have her man out here looking like no bitch, even though she did a music video with his opps. You know what I mean? Because no amount of money could get my blood clot girl for the video with Rascal, my enemy. But that is another story, people. Put in the comment section. Do you think Pretty and I-Waata is still together? And if you think they're still together, you think I-Waata used Pretty money, the one that we seen he's showing his baby with the other day, you think a Pretty money that him use and go buy Benz, fit and Benz? It's immersive. Put in the comment section. So let's proceed with the next update. Yes, people. Bad Boy Trevor has been remanded until he can pay his bail, and the situation is not looking good for Jamaica right now, people. The government is advising y'all that only can be locked up without even a warrant. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all don't have no rights. You feel what I'm saying? And speaking about rights and system, this is what Bad Boy Trevor has to say about his lockup situation and what he has to think about the martial law in Jamaica. So today I was tried and found guilty on 3 of the 4 charges stemming from my 2020 March 23rd pool party. I was fined 150,000 or 3 months in prison, not disputing the facts or of the case. I feel that I committed a breach of disaster risk management. That's the end of that. Hashtag behind bars. So people, about this being arrested at any time without even a warrant or a charge is very crazy. You know what I mean? When I have time for blood clot, King mix up, I'm cussing me, or yeah, people better listen to this. Public advisory for immediate release. The public is being advised that as a result of the recent amendments to the Disaster Risk Management Act, the police are no longer required to give warning notices before effecting an arrest for breaches under the whatever act I just mentioned. These persons can be arrested and charged immediately. But Bad Boy Trevor have this to say about that. Him said, dear Mr. Justice, Why it's there a system of social distancing practice behind bars in the holding cells, where you go to wait to pay your fine or a wait transportation to your place of sentencing? Or why is it that you cannot use your debit or credit card at the stations to pay your fine? You cannot guess what your fine is going to be, so you cannot walk with that money like that. You don't have a card machine, and my account only enabled me to withdraw 100,000 per day. So, are we to wait until midnight? I give someone my card to withdraw the rest. Fix your effing system before you exploit people's rights. And he also said to all my family and friends, fans and foes, no cup no broke, no coffee no dashware. Everything plug in, nothing no plug out, everything I work. One press and everybody move. Thanks for the support, the love and the understanding. And to the haters, enough respect, who are the best of me. God is good all the time. And the time God is good. People put in the comment section what they think about Bad Boy's situation and what he said about no card machine and can't bail himself out. And what do you think about the police issuing that public advisory that them can lock him up without charge, warrant, and effective leave and immediately based off of the amendments change to that rascal lad. Where there's so much the rascal lad change, we don't know them can't change. Them old lad there with some you know what, we'll say that for the next thing. Let's proceed. Now, the dancehall queen Spice reveals today that SSS means Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. Yes, people, your queen done it once again. This is a historic moment. We never had two international artists like Shaggy and Sean Paul on one track together. And she feels so proud and special that she's able to collaborate with these two giants. And she needs to feel to talk about it because we always talking about other international artists like, you know, Yankee and hip hop, you know, like with DJ Khaled and Coffee and all of these people linking in America and thing. You see me, I say, well, this is something for us to be proud of. So let's hear a little bit of what she has to say and then we'll proceed.
It's a historic moment for me. So let me just put fun and joke aside and go down in this. This is a very historic moment for me because for me, look all me, for have a song with these legends, for the writing that me go with two legends, it feels good and I have to talk about it. So fun and joke aside, I have to express myself before good. The SSS meaning to it is Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. Alright? So for all of the people that want go in the garden and go pick the flowers them, or no go in the garden go pick the flowers them to me and throw it for me. Because for me, little being the Spice, I'm old breath and I used to barefoot and so. Yeah. For me to get these two legends together on one song, on one track, let's talk about it. Because we not forgive me my flowers, you know, because we never get this yet. This is a first in history. This is a historic moment. Very iconic. Sometimes we don't celebrate ourselves, but now is the time for us to celebrate ourselves because oftentimes when we're doing international records, we try to go outside of the genre. Now I'm telling you that we have these two big giants. Yeah. When we talk about big giants, but we go down in it because at the end of the day, the most streamed, the most selling, top selling artists, reggae artists, Bob Marley, Sean Paul, Shaggy, top three for years, not never change it. So we have to celebrate them. We have to give them flowers. Yeah, so if I can get the two of them to come together and collab on one song, or go in the garden, go pick up the flowers them, or go in the garden and throw the flowers them because I got this done for you guys. You've never had it before. You've never had a collaboration like this with the two great big legend them together on one song. But I love the same way. But thank you guys for the flowers. The SSS is Sean Paul, Spice, and Shaggy. Big song is coming. The name of the song is called Go Down There. So let me talk about the name of the song. Go Down There name. And at the end of the day, I know some of mine smutty. On Friday, we're going to celebrate at Cosmopolitan nightclub in Atlanta. We're also going to show a little piece of the video. My besties will see the videos first, of course. Make sure you meet me at Cosmopolitan nightclub on Friday night, 10 p.m. sharp. Don't miss it, Atlanta. I know a lot of people are confused because we're doing a private party that will be filmed on Love and Hip Hop on Friday as well. So it's two separate things. You have to be COVID tested in order to enter the venue for the private party. The public one, anybody can come. Door open 10 p.m. Cosmopolitan nightclub. What Cosmopolitan there?
Decatur.
Decatur. Big up King's Promotion. Yeah. So at 10 p.m. on Friday night, if you are in Atlanta, Cosmopolitan nightclub, meet me there. You don't have to be COVID tested if you come at 10 p.m. For the private event that will be covered by Love and Hip Hop, yes, you have to be COVID tested for that. So it's two separate things. So don't get twisted. Just stick to the protocols. And yeah. Big up everybody. BL Simone, say big up yourself right there. So I'm gonna be on live. Somebody say, can you go live? I'm gonna give somebody my phone because I'll be performing. So I'm gonna make Mida in charge. So any we're gonna can't see Mida. May I give Mida my phone?
Alright, I got you.
Mida says she'll go live from my phone so that you guys can see whoever is not in Atlanta. I'm gonna try to go live that day as much as possible because it no matter when nobody say I have something to celebrate and I have something to talk about. So big up Sean Paul and Shaggy. Our legend them there. We have to support the owner people. Yes. We have to support our own. Yes. We have to talk about our own. We have to celebrate our own. So big up everybody where I throw the flowers. Yeah. Alright, that's right there. And what I'm gonna do right now is put the link into my bio. So you can stream the song. The song is stream for more than $1 US. Nobody wait until it's free. Friday and they all over on YouTube. Stream it the proper way. Right. So that they can see that besties support me. Because they have a thing where them say, oh, Jamaica no stream music and Jamaica no this. Let's change the narrative. Let's change all of that. Alright? Somebody say, cute girl, my bestie. Yeah. Big up yourself right there. So thank you for the flowers. The Gaga man. Can't pronounce the name, yeah. Jaya. Oh, what kind of name this? Gaga man Jaya. She's watch African. It's African name. But that's just what I wanted to tell you guys real quick about the SSS. I know you've been seeing me posting it. It's Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy. Big tune I got dropped Friday. The name of it is called Go Down There. And like if you want go down there, go do. You can go down there, go do it. Alright, that's how it there. Alright? Y'all gonna love the song. Me I'll put my life on that one. Yeah, me put my head on the block. You all are going to love the song. Right? So big up the two big legends them. The fact that I was able to bring this together for dancehall and reggae is a big moment for me. I'm not ask you. I know Richie feelings are a bad mind me. Me know that for a fact. Yeah. We're doing it within our own genre. Shaggy and Sean Paul, they're big legends and they're worth celebrating. And so nobody now gonna take that moment here from me. Yeah. Big up on yourself. SSS, Sean Paul and Shaggy. Right, they said the bestie. You heard it from me first. I love you guys. I can't wait for Friday. When you see the video, I want to hear the song. But the link are going on my bio right now, so you can pre-save it from now.
It's a good look for Spice, people, but not gonna tell you no lie. Big up yourself, VP Records. It look like this album is finally pulling through. I don't know if Sean Paul is still signed to VP Records. So, you know, Sean Paul and Spice is basically like label mates, you know what I mean? I heard that Sean Paul don't own his masters, and I know his career started around VP Records. And I'm not sure about Shaggy, you know, but nevertheless, it's still a good look for Spice. The song is named Go Down There. It's definitely going to be like a dancehall song. I think it's going to be a hardcore dancehall song, you know. 90s type dancehall vibes, you feel what I'm saying? Because these two people are, you know, a part of the 90s, early 2000s. You see what I'm saying? So big up yourself, Spice, and people. I know you're tired of me saying it, but you have to remember, say, every day when we upload a video and that, we get new people around here, and some people need to be reminded to hit the like button. So please, people, when they hit the like button, we're trying to get 1,000 likes out here, make the page grow, make the page look pretty, and it makes me know you appreciate it. And don't forget to drop a comment on the rest of the updates them, and hit the notification bell and press all, because around here so you truly get the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.